man. He don't know what the fuck to do. I could tell.